Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing as much wet paint as possible. Scrape gently with a plastic card. Once done, run warm water over your hands to soften water-based paint while you prepare the right solvent for oil-based types. Make sure to rub an oil or lotion into any irritated skin to protect it before stronger cleaners. You are starting the active removal now, so work from the edges inward and keep a towel handy for wiping away softened flecks as you progress. You now shift to deep cleaning. Lather with a degreasing soap and scrub with a nail brush to dislodge stubborn water-based paint. If paint remains and it is oil-based, apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol, acetone, or mineral spirits to a cloth and dab, don't soak, then rub gently. Once done, rinse frequently to remove loosened pigment and solvent residues. Make sure to work in a ventilated space and alternate scrubbing, with rinsing so skin doesn't get overexposed to chemicals. You finish by thoroughly washing hands with soap and warm water to remove residual cleaner. Once done, dry and apply a rich moisturizer or aloe to restore skin barrier. Make sure to check for tiny flecks in nail beds and repeat gentle solvent cleaning or use a pumice hand soap if needed, but be cautious around cuts. If irritation, burning, or a rash appears, stop all home treatments, rinse with cold water, and seek medical advice. This troubleshooting step protects your skin after aggressive cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.